Hey guys, this is Fundo on Wanchopagama. Tonight on Imbewu, Nomsa Tusheleni and Nenzagile start their ritual to undo the dark magic. And it seems like Nomsa has a problem of losing a Temsam. While the lack of senior management caused Zagit to take train and Nokzola calls Zagiti for help, and it seems like Zagiti does not want to help Nokzola, and she does not tell Nokzola that Zetulele move on with Sbongile and Zetulele is on jail. While Poppy tell no Lindiwe that Yenzegile and Nomosa goes to do the ritual for removing the dark magic, and it seems like Lindiwe has a problem of losing cigarette lounge, and he does not think that things will go well after Nomusa do the ritual. While Pagate is happy for coming back of Kanyo. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.